Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KEK token. KEK is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It's another meme token. It's supposedly meme season right now, but this one is doing horrible. It's down 37.35%. No pump at all going on right now with this token. If I look at the chart here, not doing so well. Now, KEK obviously is a meme. It just means LOL. I think it's in Korean. It means LOL or something like that. Used by gamers a lot. You know, it's a meme. What else can I say about it? But this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it. I mean, if you want to get it, it's doing horrible. Down 33% right now. You never know with crypto, though. It could recover. But yeah, not a lot of info and not a lot of security on this token. I'll tell you guys right off the bat. But we're going to go over the information anyways on this token. I just thought it was a funny name for a token. And, you know, we love meme tokens as well as utility tokens around here. So we're going to go over this meme token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the KEK token. So kektoken.vip is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. This is in the new token section right now. They have their Etherscan on here. You can check out their block explorer. They have a Twitter, Telegram, price chart, and contract address are all on CoinMarketCap. Like I said, right now it's down 33%. Chart is on a steady decline. Some people are writing bullish in the comments here. This guy is not writing. One person's writing is writing bearish. But yeah, a lot of bullish comments here, a few anyways. This token is not very popular yet, but it does have 732 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a total supply of 69 trillion tokens. That is a max total supply. So on CoinMarketCap, you can find the contract address. So if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the KEK token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan, their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you go over to kektoken.vip, it says one meme to rule them all. And it says they have a chart, so you can check out the DEX Tools chart. Twitter, contract, Buy Now, and Telegram are all linked on their page here. So it says about KEK. This is the tokenomics here. So it says KEK is the king meme token and a tribute to the KEK meme, of course. KEK is not just another dog or frog meme token, but something unique. Created by the people, for the people. KEK memes are the best memes. So it says 90% of the token liquidity is locked. So it says good tech, contract renounced. And then the tokenomics here. So 90% of the tokens are locked in the liquidity. 5% is for central exchange listings. So they may have some central exchange listings in the future. And then 5% is for marketing. And it says 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you most likely will not have to set slippage at all. So there's a roadmap on here. Now there's a lot of weird memes in the roadmap. I'm just going to skip over the stuff that does not make any sense at all, because what's the point? But it says phase 1, feel the vibe, fair stealth launch with no pre-sale tokens. So then they got influencers. It says 100% unplanned, whatever that means. And it says get pump and dumped by CT influencers. What does CT even mean? Coin, Telegram, Twitter. What does CT mean? Leave a comment down below. I have no idea. That might be the first time I've ever seen CT influencers on a roadmap. Recover from the pump and dump. So they haven't pumped it. There's been no pump and dump yet, according to their chart. It's just on a steady decline. So that's even worse than a pump and dump. There is literally no pump yet. It's just been dumping. So then we got 1,000 KEK holders. So they're not even there yet. They're at 732. And then it says CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings. Now they just got on CoinMarketCap. I'm not sure if they're on CoinGecko yet. Then it says trending memes. Phase 2 is going to be collab with Elon. Of course, yeah, Elon Musk is definitely going to collab with the KEK token. And then they're going to also collab with Dogs and Frogs. And then partnerships with top Web3 Space Pirates game. Okay. Discord. Then we got central exchange listings. It says the small cool ones with no KYC. Okay, so they don't want to be KYC'd, so just be aware of that. That's kind of sketchy right there, right? They don't want to be KYC'd for some reason. Or they don't want, or the ones where you don't have to get KYC'd. I'm not sure what they mean by that. Are they getting KYC'd, or are they, or probably nobody's getting KYC'd. And then NFT launch, and then we got more holders, and then last phase is going to be KEK merch. Then they're going to have a Mars rocket, TikTok, New York Stock Exchange listing. Then it says find Waldo, and then more holders. And yeah, just craziness. This token is absolute craziness. I mean, these memes are getting out of control here. Their Telegram has 423 members. 95 of them are online. Their Twitter is @KEKTokenETH. And they have 350 followers on their Twitter. It says they're from Greece, but who knows? You know what I mean? They're not KYC'd. They're not audited. Very sketchy token. Take it with a grain of salt, and yeah, just be aware. It is down anyways a lot. Still down 32%. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.